Alright, here we go again. Subterfuge box break number 327. Another bin tonight, guys. Wow. Some rookie anthology this time. Here's our players. We got Aldred woke up to buy out the rest. And PJ, and TiVo, and TJ, and Kaiser Soze. And Todd got the abs. No more Kaiser Soze there. We got Chris, and Phyllis, and PJ, and Kaiser Soze with the guaranteed slab. And Ruben, and TJ, and Chris, and PJ. And more Kaiser Soze, and TJ's, and some TiVo. And wow, this sheet is killing me with the names. And Phyllis had the cricket darts. I forgot to film it last time. I'll do it this time. And yeah, the slab for Kaiser Soze. First thing I'm going to do is going to see what number you get. Oh yeah, cool. It ends with card number 25. I don't think we have it. Nope, 22 is the highest. Here we go again. 19. No, we got 18 and 20. I hate when the slab gets low like this. Buffalo is 3. Oh, we have number 4 is the highest we have. Or the lowest we have. Chicago is 6. Oh, we got a 6. So for Kaiser Soze's guaranteed slab. You have got a base card, man. A lot of base tonight. 7th edition. Ultimate 37 of 90. Jack Adams rocking his cool hat there. Sorry, Kaiser. Not bad. I'm going to do the random slab. So, the team. Oh, sweet. I'll take that back. And it's Ruben, New Jersey Devils, getting the random slab again. That's like 2 in a row. And it is eligible. It's one of your first 4 teams purchased. So, card for Ruben. Is Boston is 2. We don't have it. Montreal is 15. Nope, we got 13 and then 17. New York Rangers, no, still don't have it in there. Oh, really? San Jose is 24. No, 22 is the highest we got. I'm going to have to reload the old slab box again. Florida is 12. Nope. 9 and 13 is closest. Blah, blah, blah. Colorado and 7. Oh, we do have it. So, Aldred with this slab. Let me write that down. You get number 7. So, that's 2 in a row. You got the random slab. And the first one you got was the Daryl Sittler autograph. Now, what are you going to get this time? Oh, it's upside down. Didn't look like a base card. Oh, well, you just got one of the most expensive cards in the rack. In the box. 8th edition. Stick Rack Silver, number 10 of 24. Peter Forsberg. This card was pretty expensive. There you go, bud. Move on to our box. Ending in 041. Oh, wait, I'm going to pull Phyllis's darts before I forget. So, Phyllis, dart number 1. Single 14. Dart number 2. Single 3. Wow, tough darts for Phyllis. And, oh, there you go. double bullseye. So 2 bullseyes for Phyllis. And what I'm going to do again is all 3 teams in the Prism pack are going to get a dart. So I'll do that at the end. So I'll re-verify this box. In case you guys think I have magic to change it out there somehow. Prism. 5, 10. Emptiness. I'm going to brick in this one. I'm going to put her down to the bottom. Nash, Breeze Galoff, Dion Phaneuf. We got a game worn gear for the St. Louis Blues. And TiVo, Chris Stewart. Dark blue black swatch. I don't know. One or the other. What? It's a regular, not numbered game worn gear. We got a Heart Contenders for the Vancouver Canucks and Aldred. You got a sardine Daniel flavored out of $9.99. Man, this RA is good stuff. We have an acetate for the Edmonton Oilers. And Kaiser Soze, you got Alice Hemsky out of 500. Just don't hurt me, okay. But the acetates, I like those too. Have a elite rookies for the Detroit Red Wings. Raleigh Sheehan. Over $9.99. That's for Chris. Like a something in this mem in this one or something. Oh, maybe not. Oh. An autograph. Bronze for the Nashville Predators and Ruben of Roman Yossi. This one seems to be one of the common ones. I've seen this pulled about like 3 or 4 times already. Still a good kid. Oh, good. Couple of hits in this one. First one's for the Vancouver Canucks. Corey Schneider out of $9.99. Couple base in the back. And a game worn gear for the Buffalo Sabres. You got Jason Pominville. So there's Terry's got 2 game worn gear cards. Not bad. Hope we get another brick. Doesn't look too hopeful right yet. Might just be a rookie treasures in this one. We have for the Colorado Avalanche and Golf Nut. Oh, nice. It's the draft parallel of Mike Connolly, number 35 of 100. There you go, Todd. Free team. Could have been worse. Oh, okay, not free. This looks like the first one of those I pulled. We have a elite rookies for the Dallas Stars and PJ, was it? Yeah, PJ. Brendan Dillon out of $9.99. Yeah, well, I think we only got the 1 brick in this box, guys. Kind of disappointing. Optimus Rhyme. And a the Phoenix Coyotes. Shane Doan. That's going to Kaiser Soze. Little swatch of Shane Doan, Lords of the NHL, not numbered. Moving on to what is probably our rookie treasures for the box. Starting with, for the San Jose Sharks and Ruben, you got Jumbo Joe Thornton out of $9.99. Some base. And that's pretty for a team that hardly ever hits, the Florida Panthers. You got the Prime version. No, you got the patch version of Colby Roback, number 83 of 99. So the short print rookie treasures, that explains why we didn't have another brick in here. So that's a nice one. Just a 2-color patch. Bunch of stitching and a white patch on the top. That one's going to Ruben. There you go, bud. And the Prism Pack. Everybody in the Prism Pack it's Colby Roback, yeah. Everybody in the Prism Pack is going to get a darts. Starting with the Winnipeg Jets and Ruben with your Andrew Ladd base card. We got a blue? Nope. We had a blue. And on the back, we got Travis Turnbull for the Buffalo Sabres. That's going to Terry. Looks like we got a... Oh, nice. Andrew Ladd. We got a... Oh, no, it's a refractor base. Or a rainbow base for the Vancouver Canucks of Corey Schneider. So, not a base, it's a rainbow base is what they're called. That's right. Rainbow. So I'm going to pull out 3. 3 darts for... First one's going to go to Buffalo and Tebow. You got a single 7. And when you get the link, you'll see the cricket page if you haven't got any darts yet. So, and for the Vancouver Canucks, triple 18 for Aldred's growing pile of darts, and for the Winnipeg Jets and Aldred again. You got a double 16. There you go. You're well on your way. Thank you guys for your bids, and I'll see you on my next bin turn. Have a good one.